If you're running your client's social medias right now, you are doing way too much work because this AI inside of GoHighLevel can actually run your social medias for you. I'm talking posting, scheduling, managing, the whole 9 yards. Let me show you how. I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to get right into this. And the first thing I want to let you know is I mean actually run your social media or your client's social media. I'm not talking about ChatGPT giving you some post copy and you copy and paste. I am legit talking about scheduling, managing, posting, doing all of the work for you so you don't have to on your Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. And right now I'm going to be demoing this through the hair salon to show you just how powerful this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to this feature, Ask AI. As you know, I'm a big fan, but I'm going to show you just how insane this feature is. So I'm also going to be showing you a really sneaky way to use this as a sales upsell or something to sweeten the deal. It's going to blow you away. And this is about to save you so much time. So the old way would be to, come into the marketing tab, build out your posts, schedule them, go to ChatGPT, generate, do all this stuff, copy, paste. It still takes a while. But with this, you don't have to do anything. You can just tell Ask AI, I want this, that, and it will do it for you. So check this out. This is absolutely insane. I'm going to say, please make me a whole month's worth of posts for Zoe Zimmerman Hair Salon, posting every other day. I want captions, images, and hashtags on all. I want it posted to Facebook, Insta, and Google Business Profile. And I'm going to click enter. Watch this. This is insane. It's going to literally go through and it's going to set this up for me without me having to go and copy and paste. Boom. Look at this. It went through in every single post, right? A full month's worth of social media management. But here's the thing. It's not just creating them. It's going to schedule them in the social planner. So I'm just going to do confirm. And now what it's going to do is it's going to go through and do all that work, schedule, do all that. And I never have to leave the Ask AI tab. All I have to do is tell it what I want, go do something else, and it will do the work for me. And I'm about to show you in a second back in the social planner what it's done in all of the post schedule. That is how insane this is. Like, this is the ultimate amount of leverage. Okay, boom. It went through. It did all of this, 3 platforms each. 16 posts. That's 16 times 3, which is like 40 something. So that's a ton of posts. So it went through and did all of this for these platforms. Let's check if it did it. So now we're going to go to marketing, social planner. Look at that. Schedule. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And it's that is insanity. And the posts are good too. Hashtags, everything, images, all of it. But I didn't do anything. That's the crazy part. Like, a lot of people are out here on ChatGPT, copy pasting, generating images, but like, this did it all for me just asking it in here saying, give me that. That's all I had to do. I just had to ask it and it did it for me. You have to understand how insane that is. That is next level. I went in and just asked it that very simply, and it scheduled all of these posts on 3 different platforms. An entire month's worth of social media management done in minutes. Guys, this is leverage. Because again, when you have to go to ChatGPT and you have to use all these tools and you have to copy paste, it takes a lot of time. You got to schedule. It's annoying. If you ever schedule in the social plan, you have to click schedule, type in the date. It's a pain in the ass. This did it perfectly. It didn't even put in the right post time for maximum engagement. Okay, so like, this is insane. But what I want to show you now, because this is really, really important, is a sneaky way to sell this. Because your clients won't know that it's really easy for you. They won't know that. So behind the scenes, you now can create a month's worth of social media content, even more, for your client socials very quickly. Okay, but here's the sneaky part. They don't know that. So there's 2 different ways you can spend this, and I highly recommend you do this. By the way, if you have any questions, I'll drop in the comments down below. But let me show you the 2 different ways we can get clients on social media management using this exact Ask AI tool. So the first way to sell this is a basic regular plan or an upsell. So this is what I mean. You go to a business, you talk to them, you say, hey, I'll run all of your social medias, post, schedule, comments, the whole 9 yards, get that visibility, get that SEO going, and get that social media management going for about $497 per month. That's really the first simple way you can do this. And for you, this is not very much work. And you don't have to charge $497. It could be $100. It could be $1,000. It can kind of be whatever you want. But the idea is you do very little work. Now, you can also add in some AI chatbots. Sneak peek to the video I have linked at the end of this one. But that's really powerful. And that is something you can do too. But the whole idea is you can sell it as a standalone service for a decent monthly price. But there is another way you can do this, a little sneaky spin, which can help you greatly in other sales. Because this is so easy, I recommend doing this. Back in the day, I would not recommend doing this because this was a lot of extra time, but because you can literally do a month, 2 months worth of work in minutes, I recommend this. The second way is a bonus to close the sale. So say you're trying to sell reputation management, a website. You can say, you know what? Today, if you sign today and you go through this, I will give you an entire month or 2 months worth of social media management for free. Okay? That's 16 posts or whatever, engagement, SEO, all these different amazing things for free. We normally charge up to $4.97, but you get it today for free. Immediately makes your offer look way more valuable. And guys, because this is so easy, you're just typing Ask AI, hey, build me some posts. It's not any operational drag for you. It's very easy, but they don't know that. So the whole idea is when you're going through, either sell this as a service like this or with your clients right now, upsell them another service and use this as a bonus. Going, hey, we're going to do your social media too, man. We're going to do it too. Highly powerful stuff, guys. Like highly powerful. This is a veteran tactic because what you don't want to do in sales is lower your price. Because if you lower your price, say, it's actually $2.97, not $4.97. They look at you and they go, so it was never worth $4.97. You never want to budge on price. What you want to do is you want to budge on value. So keep the price here. If they bitch and complain about price, keep the price here. But increase the bonuses, increase the value. So then they go, you know what? It is worth it. Because if you keep lowering, you're just in a price race to the bottom. You don't want that. And this is one of the simplest, easiest ways to help close your deal. So think now when you're going out, you think this Ask AI, you're like, Ask AI on GoHighLevel can literally create all my social media posts in minutes. Use this to close the sale. Smart people will do this because this is working smarter, not harder. So please utilize this. I'm telling you, it is a game changer, but it's also just a really smart way to sell. So please use both of these. I'm telling you, it will be a game changer for you. And you really just got to utilize this because Ask AI is the future. So that's it, guys. That is how you can do all of your social media posts in literally minutes using Ask AI. Now, if you're interested in learning how to sell this and more, sales stuff like I just showed you before and really mastering high level, I have a 30-day free trial link right down below. When you sign up with that, not only are you getting help from me, you're getting access to my entire private community full of winners, all of my training resources, which is unmatched. I have more snapshots than really pretty much anyone, sales scripts, AI prompts, trainings on how to get clients, systems on how to get clients, like the whole 9 yards. But I also have up to 8 live coaching calls you can attend every single week for free. Yes, it changes. Sometimes it's more, sometimes less, but it's always in that number. And it's insane, guys. Calls with me, as you see, they're free. Calls with other coaches. I mean, guys, you get access to all of this for free. And these are real people selling high-level mastery, and you get access for free. If you don't believe me, go look at everyone else's bonuses anywhere on YouTube. You're not going to find anyone with the amount of freebies that I give you. I'm telling you, it's unmatched. And if you're willing to work hard, you can create something truly amazing, especially with features like Ask AI. This is a game changer. And guess what? You can utilize it. So again, if you are interested in this whole process and you want to take it to the next level, go down below, hit the 30-day free trial link, check it out. If you already have high level, either upgrade. And if you already are fully upgraded, check out the other link to get in for a specific flat fee. I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. It is incredible. You're going to love it. Last but not least, I recommend you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because it's going to be going over AI chatbots inside of GoHighLevel. It's a full tutorial. It's linked right at the end of this one. And it is insane because what happens is you're going to get a bunch of DMs when people click message. And the easiest way to take care of that is by using conversational AI. It is the next logical thing. So again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.